Keto chicken taco soup. Preparation time, 5 minutes. Cooking time, 15 minutes. Servings, 1. Ingredients: 50 grams diced chicken breasts, 2 tablespoons diced white onion, 1 tablespoon diced red bell pepper, 1 clove garlic, crushed, 1 tablespoon minced jalapenos, 1.5 cups chicken stock, 1/3 cup sugar-free tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 teaspoons taco spice mix, 50 grams diced avocado, fresh cilantro for garnish. Procedure: 1. Sear chicken pieces slightly in olive oil. 2. Add garlic, onions, bell peppers, and jalapenos. Sweat until aromatic. 3. Add spice mix, stock and tomato sauce. Simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. 4. Ladle into a bowl and top with avocados and cilantro. Nutritional information. Energy 300 kilocalories. Protein 12 grams 16%. Fat 25 grams 74%. Carbohydrates 7 grams 9%. Fiber 4 grams. Remember to subscribe, comment, share and like it. Click on the bell to be informed of the latest videos uploaded. Thanks.